Andrew's first Easter basket. What is this? Joke. Don't eat it.
He's laughing.
Give him the bunny. He knows what to do, sort of.
Yeah, there's something in there.
I think it was mean of us to give him all this chocolate knowing he can't have it. You got a bunny! Yeah.
He did say yeah.
Happy Easter! Happy first Easter, Tiggy! Aww.
Okay, let's open it.
Go.
The Giant's Kinder Egg.
You're gonna
Giantness.